Okay, here we are, day 10. Missed a couple of days, but as you can see, there's some serious steel going on. So we have now got the ridge beam in with the steel for the doorway, which is going to be like a grain door with a hoist above it. So there's that. The interior, if we go around, oh, and don't forget the sad excuse that the wife made me have. So here we are, floor joists, or ceiling joists, whichever way you're looking at it, that's all in, looking good. And through here is the staircase. Well, the situation for the new staircase, it's going to go up through here and then down through to approximately wherever there's a pencil mark, and I think this here is the pencil mark. That's where it's going to end. I'll take you outside so we can have a look at the rest of it. And we got all our rafters ready. A few bits of timber there. So now looking at it from this side, you can see that there's a new stud wall. That's the front end, the front wall. The dormers will sit above that and across the roof. So all in all, that was a good day's work. Catch you again. Bye. Oh, wife's coming. Bye then.